All right, I'm just recording this because this structure was kind of a maybe a sentimental thing before when the kids were little. Now that they're all grown and leaving the house, it's going to turn into something else. So we're going to repurpose this thing. I just wanted to show you what it looked like before, and we'll take a look at it after I'm done. So this was their fort. Uh, this is almost 14 years old. So the floor was here, and then we had some railings going across the top and a ladder kind of in the front here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise this floor and make it a roof. And we're going to use all those materials in there to make a greenhouse slash aquaponics system. And the pond that is currently over there, so we have some fish in there. This is going to move over here. It's going to come out the side with a water feature. It's going to kind of pump out to a waterfall kind of thing, and the pond will be here in this area that we're going to have some seating here. So, and then the solar power flower that I made some years ago is going to go right back here next to where the water feature is. So that's going to be a cool little thing. It's going to help us power this whole thing. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm just moving this up so we can start the process of making that a roof for the greenhouse. There you go. Yeah. It's like 14-year-old wood. Yeah. It's going to look pretty cool. Okay, so I've almost got all the straps in. 1, 2, 3. I'm on this last one here. Once I get all these straps in, I'll take these screws out and I'll be able to ratchet the floor up to the fort floor up to the greenhouse ceiling height and screw that back in. I'm going to screw it in at a slight angle to the back, and yeah, the runoff from the water will go into the tank that's going to be here for the fish and the aquaponics system. And that's all the stuff that's going to go in there. So there you go. Top's just going to be corrugated plastic, and then the sides I'll have some greenhouse material stretched over the frame. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the door yet. I'll figure that out after I get all this set up. But I'm going to try to make a 6-foot height, or maybe a little bit over that. We've got like 8 feet up there, so these are 10 foot, and then there's 2 foot in the ground. So yeah, we've got plenty of space to move up there. Yep. All right, I'm gonna show you how this thing wound up. You can see I haven't trimmed it yet, so I can put the water catch system on it. But that's how it wound up. It's like a rainforest in there now, which is gonna work pretty good. So got the zippers up there. You can see there's some, that's on the inside, so you can see there's some condensation all on the inside. That's good. That means it's probably warmer in there. Alright, let's go inside. Ooh. Oh yeah. It's a little warmer in here. Which is good because winter's coming, right? So pretty cool. We're gonna add, we just got a fan on Amazon. That fan's gonna go up there, and we're gonna have an inlet vent down below, so when the fan starts sucking air out, the inlet vent will obviously let some air in and maintain the pressure. It's gonna be some louvered fans and a louvered vent. So we'll be able to keep the pressure the same in here, or not decrease the pressure, and but get the air circulation coming through here. So I gotta see where I'm going to add the vent. So the fan will be over my shoulder there, and then we'll see where we put the inlet vent. But yeah, you can see it's working out pretty good. And we didn't spend the... Oh, wait, I gotta show you that. A bunch of condensation up here. Wow. It's like it's raining in here. But there you go. Very cool. So for under, I don't know, maybe three something, under $400, we've got all the materials and stuff. There's some stuff left over from my aquaponics system that I'm going to install in here as well. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I've got the watering timer in there, so we're going to install that today as well. Yeah, let's see how it goes.